If you have a list of student names in Excel and you would like them to populate on a student certificate, you will need to do a mail merge in Microsoft Word. A few things to make sure things are set up correctly. In your Excel sheet, make sure you either have first name, last name, and make sure that that is the header, or you have student name if they're all listed as one. Either is fine. On your Word doc, go to Mailings, Start Mail Merge, Letters. Under Select Recipients, you want to use an existing list because you already have the list in Excel. Find your list and click Open. Click Yes, and then choose the sheet where your student names are. In this case, mine are on sheet 1. If yours are on a different sheet, use this tab to find the sheet where your student names are. Then click OK. We want the student names to go here where it says student name. So I'm going to delete that, and I'm going to insert first name and last name. I need to click in between the two and put a space. Since that font is too large, you can highlight, go to Home, and adjust the font accordingly until they fit. You can also adjust the font style if you wish. Once that is set up as you like it, return to Mailings, and you're ready to make the merge happen. Go to Finish and Merge, and edit individual documents. You can see a new window has popped up, and there are all your certificates. To convert this into a PDF so that you can send it to the print shop, click Acrobat and Create PDF. Select No. Name your certificate. Remember where you've saved it to, and click Export. They will open in Adobe, and you will see there are all your certificates. This is now ready to be sent to the print shop.